To clear the browsing history on Realme Note 60, first you will need to open your browser. In this case, by default, I'm using a Chrome. Probably you have the same browser. If you have something else, just open it as well. Now for the most of the browsers, you can either find three dots in the top right corner of the screen or in the top left section of your screen. There might as well be the three lines, so keep that in your mind. Now we just need to click on that button. That way we'll be able to access either the settings or a straightforward history. We can go for history in our Chrome browser and then select delete browsing data. Now you can change the time range from which you can remove your history, and in this case I'm gonna go with all time. You can choose whichever option you like. Then we can pick what we want to actually clear: browsing history, cookies and sites data, cached images and files, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. And select whichever one you like, then just click on delete data and your browsing history should be removed.